Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable credit card expense categorization with Ramp step by step clearly. To enable credit card expense categorization with Ramp, start by logging into your Ramp account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Locate the Expenses tab on the sidebar. Click on the Expenses tab to access your transactions. Find the Credit Card Transactions section. Select the credit card you want to categorize expenses for. Review the list of transactions displayed. Click on a transaction to view its details. Look for the category field within the transaction details. Click on the category field to open the drop-down menu. Browse through the available categories or use the search feature. Select the category that best fits the expense. After selecting, ensure to save or confirm your changes. Repeat this process for each transaction you need to categorize. Once all transactions are categorized, review your changes for accuracy. To ensure proper reporting, double-check that each expense is categorized correctly. When finished, return to the dashboard to view your categorized expenses. Consider using the reporting features to analyze your spending by category. This will help optimize your budgeting and financial planning. You have successfully enabled credit card expense categorization with Ramp. Continue monitoring your expenses regularly for effective financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.